In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stylish captions for Instagram in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll start by getting your captions on the timeline. In Premiere Pro, open the window menu, choose text, then select Create Captions. If you already have an audio track, use the transcription and caption tools to generate text automatically, then scan through for accuracy, punctuation, and names. Clean captions are the foundation, so take a moment to fix any misheard words and remove filler that doesn't add meaning. Next, let's make them look great with strong, readable fonts. Choose clear modern options like Montserrat, Bebas Neue, or Poppins. Aim for a bold or semi-bold weight for keywords while keeping the rest in regular weight for contrast. Stick to simple, high legibility styles. Thin or overly decorative fonts can get lost on a small phone screen. Keep sizing consistent so the captions feel cohesive from clip to clip. Color and contrast are your best friends for emphasis. Make important words pop with a bright accent color that stands out against your footage, or use a subtle highlight box behind the text. Ensure there's solid contrast between text and background, dark text on light or light text on dark. If your footage varies a lot, a low opacity background box or a thin shadow can keep text readable without overwhelming the image. Now add movement to bring the captions to life. Use keyframes to fade captions in and out or have them slide gently from the bottom or side. Keep animations short and consistent, about a quarter to half a second feels snappy without being distracting. Add ease in and ease out for smoother motion. The goal is to support the message, not steal the show. Keep your lines short and punchy. Break sentences into quick phrases that can be read at a glance. 2 lines with 3 to 5 words each is a good starting point. Use manual line breaks to stack phrases logically so viewers can track the rhythm of the speech. Short lines also give you more room to position text smartly. Finally, place your captions where they'll always be visible on Instagram. Keep them above the lower UI area so they don't collide with buttons or the timeline scrubber. Center them horizontally for consistency and leave a bit of breathing room from the edges. Before exporting, scrub through and check framing on a vertical preview to confirm